Intermediate second year English medium. We are discussing the second unit. The second unit, demography and human resources development. So in the demography human resources development lesson, already we discussed the theory of demography transition completed in the previous class, and today I am going to analyze the theory of demographic transition second phase. Already Alfred Malthus was introduced the population theory. According to Malthus, the population process in 3 stages. Let me analyze the few words about the theory of demographic transition. Once again, see here. Demography and human resources development. Demography and human resources development. This is our second lesson, second unit. So in the second unit, here, first stage. In the first stage, the birth rate is very high and the death rate is very high. So there is a population stable. No problem in the first stage. Why? Because the birth rate is high and the death rate is also high. No problem. Population is stable. No problem. Then go to the second stage. In the second stage, birth rate is as usual and the death rate was declined, rapidly declined. Then automatically there is a population explosion. There is a population explosion. In the previous stage, no problem. Why? Because both are equal. Death and birth rate both are equal, no problem. But in the second stage, rapidly the death rate was declined. Due to the death rate was declined, but there is no changes in the birth rate. Due to population explosion, there is a heavy population pressure. So the heavy population pressure, we are in the second stage. Is it? We are in the second stage. Second stage means death rates were rapidly declined, but the birth rate was as usual. So we are suffering with the population explosion. What are the causes for rapid growth of population? Population explosion in India. Same 3 causes are there. Let me analyze the causes. Causes of population explosion or increases population. Only 3 steps are there. One is here, death rate was declined. Death rate declined. First one. Second, birth rate was as usual, and the third one is migration. So the 3 are the major causes of population explosion or heavy population pressure in India particularly. Okay, one is death rate was very low, death rate was rapidly declined, and the birth rate was as usual increases, and the migration. So the 3 are the main causes of population explosion or rapid growth of population in India. Let us analyze what are the causes. Let me analyze the death rate and the birth rate and the migration. As for low death rate, causes for low death rate, first one. Then birth rate, causes for high birth rate. causes for high birth rate, and the third one is migration. So the 3 points are there. So there is no possible to migration. ఎందుకు మన దేశంలో పాపులేషన్ ఇంత పెరుగుతుంది అంటే వేరే దేశం నుంచి ఎవరైనా వచ్చారా? ఎనీ మైగ్రెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఇండియా? నో, ఇది పాసిబుల్ కాదు, ఇది కరెక్ట్ సూటబుల్ కాదు. ఎందుకంటే ఇతర దేశాల నుంచి వస్తే మన పాపులేషన్ పెరిగిందా? నో. సో it is not a discussing topic. Only the discussing points are causes for low death rate, second, and the causes for high birth rate in India. The two are the main basic things to population explosion or rapid growth of population in India. Let me analyze causes. Causes for low death rate. What are the causes for low death rate? So you have to write only the two basics. One is causes for low death rate and causes for high birth rate. Enough to write the examination of these points. Causes for low death rate in India. What are the causes are there? See here, very general concept this is. Only basically we are discussing the two concepts. One is the causes for high birth rate is causes for low death rate and causes for high birth rate. Here causes for low death rate, the first one we are taking. What are the causes for low death rate in India, sir? Means famines. In olden days there was a famines are there. కరువులు వచ్చి, కరువు అంటే తినడానికి తిండి కూడా లేనటువంటి ఒక పొజిషన్ అప్పుడు ఉండేవాళ్ళు. So there is no food facilities to existence of their life of the olden days. Why? Because so many droughts are there, so many floods are there. సో దాంతో చాలా మంది అసలు తినడానికి తిండి కూడా లేకపోవడం వల్ల చాలా మంది చనిపోయారు. చూడండి, ఫెమైన్స్, డాట్స్ విల్ బి అండ్ ద ఫ్లడ్స్ అండ్ సో మెనీ ఎపిడమిక్స్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద కాజెస్ టు ద లో డెత్ రేట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. Low in India. What are the contour of epidemics? Cholera, smallpox, malaria. So many diseases are in olden days because there is no sanitation, there is no hospital facilities, there is no medical facility, there is no the sanitation facilities. Due to there is a heavy birth rates are there, heavy death rates are there. So due to the control of epidemics, already the death rate was declined. In olden days there is a high death rates are there. Why? Because there is no hospital facilities. But the cause of low death rate is control of epidemics. Nowadays the pulse polio. Nowadays still now we are going to giving the vaccine. Lifelong the people are not suffer with the polio. Why? Because we are giving the vaccines, isn't it? So the long epidemics which are the suffer with the people. So we are getting the vaccinations due to the long-term diseases are disappeared in our country. Due to the death rate was declined automatically. So first one is famines. So when the famines, nowadays the most of the people are not getting the famines. Why? Because if any problem, if any floods, if any drought, the government is support to the people. The government is provide the food security, means ration shop. Through the ration shop, the most of the poor people are getting the food facilities. So there is no famines, there is no floods. So if the floods available, the government is take precautions. Okay, so automatically the death rate was declined, and the control of epidemics due to the death rate was declined, and the other factors, a good sanitation is there, a safe drinking water facilities are there, and the income of the people increases, the standard of living will be also increases, education increases, due to they are not getting to illness. Why? Because when the people are getting the sanitation, they are not getting to ill, is it? So when the income of the people increases, when the sanitation increases, automatically there is a low death rate was appeared in these days. Due to there is a low death rate, takkuva mandi chanipotunnaru. So famines, no famines in these days, and no control of no epidemics in these days. But nowadays we are getting the corona, that is different way. But other factors, so these are the death rate causes of low death rate. So this is the first point. And the second point is here, causes of high birth rate. Birth rate height. What are the causes of high birth rate? See here, the first one completed, causes for low death rate, and here causes for high birth rate. Causes for high birth rate. What are the causes of high birth rate? Here, economic factors. What are the economic factors? Causes of high birth rate means importance of agriculture. The most of the people are depends on agriculture. So the agriculture people who are depends on agriculture, they want to get the more children. When they getting the more children will get the more income. They treated as, the children is treated as their assets. The getting income people. Is it? ఎక్కువ మంది పిల్లలు ఉంటే ఎక్కువ డబ్బులు సంపాదిస్తారు అనే ఫీలింగ్. So importance of agriculture. Most of the peoples are illiteracy. So they have no family planning. About the family planning due to the birth rate is very low. And the urbanization. Okay, the most of the peoples are living in the rural areas, but the rural area peoples are going to urban areas. Urbanization means here when the urbanization is very low in India, when the urbanization increases, automatically the attitude of the people increases. The attitude of the people changes. So when the people attitude changes, automatically they want to get the low children. But most of the peoples are village areas. There is no urban attitude. There is no urban psychology, and they have no knowledge how many children they have to get. So urbanization and moreover poverty. Most of the peoples are in the poverty. So due to the poverty, if the peoples are always trying to get the more children, if the more children they want to get, their children will get the more income. So the children are the asset of the parents. They always try to think of their children as assets. వాళ్ళకి పిల్లల్ని ప్రేమగా కాదు, వాళ్ళకి డబ్బులు సంపాదించేటటువంటి ఒక యంత్రాలుగా చూస్తారు. So here it is a poverty is also one of the main cause of the high birth rate in India. Well, because most of the people are in the rural areas, they are illiteracy persons, they have no knowledge about the family planning, they have no income levels, they have no education facilities. Due to this is also one of the possible of high birth rate. And social factors. Social factors are very, 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 very dangerous. Why? Because the attitude of the people, the psychology of the people, the what is it? The differences of the people. So these are all attitudes will become a high birth rate, increases the high birth rate in India. Okay, so the most of the peoples are waiting for the male baby. The most of the peoples are try to moga pillavaadu unte ma kudumbani kaapadaadu, moga pillavaadu unte ma intiki asaraga untadu. So this such type of activities, such type of the psychology of the people so also leads to the social factors. So this is also one of the cause to giving the high birth rate in India. And universal acceptance of marriages. The any person is aimed to get they want to get marriages. పెళ్లి చేసుకోవడం తప్పనిసరిగా ఉంటుంది, తప్పనిసరిగా భావిస్తారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ అన్మ్యారీడ్ పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ దే. ఏపీజే అబ్దుల్ కలాం ఈస్ దే, నరేంద్ర మోడీ ఈస్ దే, అండ్ జయశంకర్ ఈస్ దే. So many peoples are there, unmarried peoples. But the aim of the people is, the aim of the children is, the parents is also try to get their children to get married. పిల్లలకు పెళ్లి చేయడానికి తల్లిదండ్రులు ఆలోచిస్తారు, పెళ్లి చెయ్యాలి అనుకుంటారు. కానీ పెళ్లి అనేటువంటిది కంపల్సరీ కాదు, పెళ్లి చేసుకోకపోయినా బతకొచ్చు అనేటువంటి ఒక ఫీలింగ్, సైకాలజీ వాళ్ళలో ఉంటుంది. అర్థం లాజిక్ అర్థమవుతుందా? కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ పెళ్లి కంపల్సరీగా చెయ్యాలి, కంపల్సరీగా చేసుకోవాలి అని ఆ ఫీలింగ్, సైకాలజీ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని మనం పాటించడం వల్ల సో మ్యారేజెస్, యూనివర్సల్ మ్యారేజ్ యాక్సెప్టెన్స్, అండ్ దెన్ age of marriage. So the most of the peoples are, most of the ladies are, they are going to they are going to marriage lower age. So why? So when they are getting the marriage in low age, so they will be created so many problems. Is it? So this is also one of the cause of high birth rate in India. And social, let's discuss the social factors and the religious factors. Hindus and Christians and minorities and Jainis, Sikhs. So their religious attitudes are there. Religious psychology is there. So according to their psychology, they want to get the more children. So this is also one of the cause. Means economic factors. These are. Then go to the joint family system. So the most of the people are living in the joint family system, but nowadays the joint family systems are breakdown. But in olden days there is a joint family system. Still now the joint family systems are there. So in the joint family systems, the most of the people, so your young couples are there going to get the more children. Why? Because they have no burden to getting their children. Why? Because their children are support the parents and grandparents. The couples, they are going to getting the children's. The children are always try to go kept the grandfathers, grandmothers, due to they have no burden. Due to this is also one of the cause, the joint family system. Then lack of education. Yes, this is also one of the cause. Lack of education. Most of the people are illiteracy. They have no knowledge and they have no idea about how many children they want to get. Is it? మా అత్త కనమన్నది పిల్లలు నాకు తెలియదు, మా ఆయన కనమన్నాడు. సో దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ విచ్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు illiteracy. Their psychology is totally traditional. Their psychology is totally narrow. Due to the lack of education is also one of the cause due to arise the high birth rate in India. So lack of education, when we compare to the developed countries, in the developed countries, most of the people are literacy. They have an idea about how many children they want to get. Their birth rate is very low and the death rate is also very low. Why they are getting the low birth rate? They have a full knowledge how to get the how many children. ఎంతమంది పిల్లల్ని కనాలి, ఎలా పోషించుకోవాలి, ఎలా వాళ్ళని పెద్ద చేయాలి అనే విషయాలన్నీ వాళ్ళకు తెలుసు. కాబట్టి తక్కువ మంది పిల్లల్ని కంటారు in developed countries. But in these developing countries they have no knowledge. Why? Because the most of the people are living in the rural areas. They have illiteracy persons. Okay, so these are the main causes. For example, if the woman is getting the female child, they are wait for the male child. Why? Because ఆడపిల్ల ఉంది, ఆడపిల్ల ఉంటే మాకు సంపాదించలేదు, ఆడపిల్ల ఉంటే మాకు ఖర్చు అవుతుంది, ఆడపిల్ల ఉంటే మాకు కుటుంబాన్ని కాపాడలేదు. సో ఈ సచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, most of the people they are wait to get the male child. So these are the one of the cause to arise the lack of education. Then use of the contraceptives. There is no knowledge about the contraceptives. The male and female, they have when they are going to get the children, they have so many measurements are there. Contraceptives are there. Contraceptive is one of the measurements to reduce the children. ఆడవాళ్ళు మగవాళ్ళు పిల్లల్ని కాకుండా చూసుకోవడానికి కాంట్రాసెప్టివ్స్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో అలాంటి అవేర్నెస్ లేదు మన మేల్లో కానీ ఫీమేల్లో కానీ మ్యారీడ్ కపుల్స్ అలాంటి అవేర్నెస్ లేదు కాబట్టి use of contraceptives is very low. So you have to educate more and more about the contraceptives of the married couples. Then these are the second means social economic factors. Then go to the family planning programs. Yes, these are the major. One is public information programs. Yes, the government should provide more and more information about the family planning, about the low children and the small family. Isn't it? So the government is providing more and more information about the small family, the importance of small family, the uses of small family, small size of family. So public information centers to be provided by the government in various states and centers, the people who are getting the more and more children. And incentive and the disincentive. Incentive means to get profits. And encouragement. The government provide the incentives. Suppose the people who having the 2 children, the government should provide more and more incentives. వాళ్ళకి గిఫ్ట్ ప్రైజ్ ఇవ్వటం, లేదా ఆఫర్లు ఇవ్వటం, లేకుంటే ఇంకేదో ఇవ్వటం. మీరు తక్కువ మంది పిల్లల్ని కనండి, మీకు ఆఫర్ ఇస్తున్నాను, మీరు పిల్లల్ని ఎక్కువ కనకండి, మీ ఆఫర్ ఇస్తున్నాను. సో incentives. Suppose if the people who are getting the heavy children, more children, they are get the disincentives. మీరు ఎక్కువ మంది పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు, మీకు రేషన్ కార్డు తీసేస్తాం, మీకు ఎక్కువ మంది పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు, మీకు ఓటర్ కార్డు అంటే ఏదో ఒక భయపెట్టడం, వాళ్ళని ఇన్సెంటివ్స్ ఇవ్వాలి, వాళ్ళని డిస్కరేజ్ చేయాలి. దేని విధంగా? ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ గురించి. తక్కువ మంది పిల్లల్ని కనే విధంగా వాళ్ళని డిస్కరేజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ సెంటర్స్. దిస్ సేస్ ద గవర్నమెంట్ షుడ్ ప్రొవైడ్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ సెంటర్స్. మెయిన్ కాజ్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ illiteracy. మెయిన్ due to the illiteracy people, so they are getting the high children. So the most of the camps should be conducted by the government to provide more and more information to the rural area people. So they are all totally illiteracy. They are all the psychology is totally traditional. It is a the social problems are there. So many problems are they are facing. So many problems. So family planning centers to be need. and research and more research to be need to reduce the high birth rate in India. So many research to be need, but because heavy population pressure is there in India. So what are the measures should be taken and what are the research? ఇంకా కొత్తగా ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి, కొత్తగా ఏం చేయాలి, ఏం చేస్తే పాపులేషన్ తగ్గుతుంది అనేటటువంటిది చేయాల్సినటువంటి ఒక అవసరం ఎంతైనా ఉంది. సో స్టూడెంట్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద వే ఆఫ్ ద ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ causes for rapid growth of population in India. So this is a long answer, కొంచెం పెద్దగా ఉందని ఫాస్ట్ గా చెప్పేశాను. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వే ఆఫ్ ఇంకా చాలా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఉంది, చాలా మనం గంటలకు చెప్పుకోవచ్చు, చాలా పెద్ద కాన్సెప్ట్ కాబట్టి మేము బ్రీఫ్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.